Okay, today we're going to go over how to export reports into Excel. We're going to log into our VTM vending software. We're going to go to sales, real-time transactions, and we're going to select a date range. So if I want to look at all of January, go here to here, I'll hit OK. Now this is military time, so we want this to be 0000, and we want to end on the 31st at 23:59 and 59 seconds. We want to look at delivered goods, and we're going to hit search. We're going to export that into Excel. We're going to open it. We'll delete the top row. We'll sort it by device name. I'll remove some columns. I'm going to remove the tax rate and the actual payment price. And I'm just going to show the pre-tax payable or retail price, which are the same things. And these are the columns I'm going to show. I'm going to show user account, device name, the product sold, the line number, the payable price, the fact that the product was delivered, and the order time. From here, what I could do is I could go to each account. And I could cut, select a new tab, type in the name, and paste it. And if this customer was paid 15% of revenue, then we could scroll all the way down to the bottom, equals sum of all these cells. You can see this account did $2,397 for January. And if we are paying them 15% equals 0.15 times that, we would pay them a total of $359.55. We will mail them a check or ACH along with this statement that we'll print. It'll show the date of every transaction, the aisle number, the product, and the amount that they paid. Reminder, select delivered products and make sure you use military time, January 1st, 0000 to January 31st, 23:59:59. Delivered, hit search, go ahead and export it. If you want to just look at a specific name, you could also go here and type in maybe $18.99 and hit search, and here's your report for just $18.99. If I want to look at another one, I can do this. Same thing. Here's a report for just Game on Lakewood for the same date period. Thanks for listening and have a great day.